Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Apple Watch is paired and Reminders syncs via iCloud. Open the Reminders app on the watch or use Hey Siri to create a reminder immediately. When you tap New Reminder, choose a list and type, or use dictation to speak the title. Use quick replies for short times like, in 30 minutes. Once done, make sure the reminder appears on both devices so you avoid duplicates and missed alerts. Next, refine the reminder by adding when, where, and how important it is. Tap the reminder and pick Add Time or Add Location. Use your current location or enter an address for arrive/leave triggers. Assign the item to an existing list or a shared list so others see it. For complex tasks, add subtasks or notes. Do this on the paired iPhone if typing is faster. Once configured, verify the alert sound and haptic strength so you won't miss it. To finish, mark items complete directly on the watch by tapping the circle or use Siri to check today's reminders. Recurring reminders use phrases like every Monday or custom schedules you set on the iPhone for precision. If reminders fail to appear, make sure focus modes and do not disturb aren't silencing the watch. Confirm iCloud reminders is enabled, and restart both devices if syncing stalls. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle reminders off and on in iCloud settings to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.